Hello friends, what we are going to talk today will really make you very happy. I know it's a very difficult situation today because of COVID-19. Some people are being quarantined. Even we have to sit at home because of the lockdown. Even you are not able to do your work. Many problems are there, and everywhere if you see news channels or anywhere if you are reading newspaper, anywhere you are listening that so many people have been impacted because of coronavirus and all. I know you are hearing very negative information, and that's why our mind have become very negative, and we all are suffering from that. But today, even though out of this overall situation, today I'm going to discuss 25 points which have created good impact on our life because of the lockdown situation, and that will really make you very happy. I would like to suggest you that please watch this video till end, and definitely you will love this video, and definitely till the end of this video your mind will be very positive. Hello friends, my name is Shashank Rawale. I am stock market trader and investor, and also I conduct seminars all over Maharashtra about share market trading and investments, and thousands of people have attended my sessions, and I come on various news channels, also on Marathi news channels, and we do a lot of stock market work. This is my profile. So I like to tell you friends, today it's 17th of April when you are loading this video. 17, first of all, let me look, as we are talking, that I am going to tell you some positive points that will make your mind very happy. Even this today's date is also very positive for me when I am uploading this video, because it's 17th April and 17 number is very lucky for me. First of all, 17th February is my birth date, and secondly 17 on all 70s means 17, every month of 17 something good happens. So today also I am creating this video. Even all my vehicle numbers are 17, whatever vehicles I have. So 17 is a very lucky number for me. And as usual, even today also we are uploading this video in our car itself. Why? Because we are not able to go to our office, right, because of this lockdown situation. So as I told you earlier also, that we are going to discuss 25 different points which have created good impact on our life because of this COVID-19. Why I'm going to tell you all these points? The reason behind this is to first of all to make you positive, and secondly friends, let me tell you, even after this COVID-19 also, our economy is going to face many problems, right? Many difficult situations. So at that time, your mind should be very positive to handle all this situation. If you are negative, if you are overstressed, if you are frustrated, if you are worried, then you cannot come out of this problematic situation. So it's very important that you should be very positive. And I know there are many negative points. I know there are many problems in our life earlier also, and now in this lockdown situation also, because of this COVID-19, we are into many problems. I know it very well, but after that also we have to search good points which will create good impact on life, and we have to work on those good points. If you are focusing on those good points, then definitely automatically those problematic situation steps back, and you will make very good of your life, right? So it's very important. Okay, as I told you earlier also in my earlier video, that energy flows, your focus goes. So your focus should be on positive points and not on negative points. Yes, absolutely right. You have to work on our negative points. You have to come out of our negative points. But in the similar way, even you have to focus on our positive points also. You have to be very strengthful on our positive points. You should be so powerful on your positive points that those negative things will automatically vanish. So as I told you that we are going to discuss 25 points, so we are going to discuss it step by step. First point, that is related to our stock market investments. Those people who have taken trainings from me, those people who have taken advice from me, they have a very good news that I would like to tell you friends. Before the lockdown, before coronavirus entered in our country, and at that time the market was performing very well. At that time we had suggested few of the good shares to our clients. Out of this, most of the shares are performing very well. Even though the market fell down, still our shares are performing very well. I would like to tell you step by step. First of all, we told about Biocon in the month of February, probably in the month of February, for first or second week of February. At that time, we bought Biocon, and today it's trading 20% at a higher rate from our buying quote. After that, we told our clients to buy Dower also. Dower is nearby our buy rate. It's not in profit also, and it's not in loss also, as I told you earlier too. And again, even I would like to tell you, we have told our clients to buy DVS Lab first. DVS Lab is trading at 14% higher rate. We are in 14% profit in DVS Lab, which we are purchasing in higher quantity. Also, as I told you that I had told to buy even Dr. Reddy shares also, and that share is 24% higher from our buying rate, which is a very good profit in just 1.5 or 2 months, which is a very huge profit. Even I had told in my TV channel shows also about all these shares. I have told it publicly on air, on TV channels, that buy these shares, you will definitely make very good profits. And I'm very happy enough that even though the market has fallen by around 15-20%, still our shares are in profit by 20, 25 and 25%, which is a very big achievement in this problematic situation also. Even though the market is down, in the market has crashed down, still our shares are performing very, which is a very big achievement. And we have got many good appreciations from our clients also, who are making very good profits with the help of techniques. And when the market will perform well, at that time we will perform outstanding, and at that time we will receive very good returns from this with the help of these shares. And also other shares are also there which are making very good profits, and our overall portfolio is very good in very good profits. When people attend my sessions, when people take guidance from me, at that time we give them such kind of shares which are giving us very good profits. So this is the first news which I wanted to tell you. Next is that friends, this is the first point out of those 25 points. Secondly, what we learned from this lockdown situation. First of all, we learned to work from home. Earlier there was no concept as such from work from home. I feel that maybe in future the office concept will get over, and all people will work from their home only. So first of all, you got an idea to work from home. Next is that even those people who are not so friendly with internet, or those people who didn't know how to use internet, how to do work from home and all, those people now, if you have seen, there is a huge jump in internet users from last minutes since it has been locked down, right? So now people are getting used to internet surfing, or they doing online works, even Zoom, which is online meeting platform, right? Online webinar platform. That even that is being used by many of the people, right, for their meetings and all. So even though their customer base has been increased, and that is the future of our country. Those people who are very friendly with online work and online things, they will definitely survive very well. Who knows how to handle computer, laptop and everything. So those people who are not friendly, now they have become friendly, and they have taken one step ahead, that yes, we have to learn all these things, otherwise we cannot work. So that is a very good point which has happened in this lockdown situation. Next is that one more thing I would like to tell friends. Because of this coronavirus, many people have just told their mates to don't come for the work, right? Even I had told my mates, my cook, all my mates who are working in my office, everyone, that you have to sit at your home, because even we are worried that if they are not following all the corona discipline, so even they can impact us also. Even everyone is thinking like that. So because of that, even what the situation right now, that we have to work on our own. We have to do all our works on our own. So we have learned to do all the works on our own, and we are saving our money also, right? So this is a good thing that has happened. Next is that even we have adopted all the changes also. Many people, the most important problem in the person's life is many people are not ready to change themselves, and that's why they don't become successful in the life. But in such kind of situation, we don't have any other option but to change ourselves, to change our perspective, to change our mindset, to change our way of working. Then only we can move ahead in our life. Otherwise we will be a very big problem, because after this COVID-19 situation, after this coronavirus goes out of our country, at that time the main problems will start because of the downfall in economy. And that time, those people who are able to change themselves, those people who have taken a lot of efforts in their life till now, they will survive. But those people who have ignored this problem, or those people who are rigid and they are not able to change themselves, the world will change them. Right? So this is a very good thing that has happened. So with no other option, we have to change ourselves. So this has happened. Next is that even many people have started thinking for extra income also. Earlier, people were not serious of thinking about any extra income. Those people holding job, or those people holding their own business, they were saying yes, I am happy with my business, and I am doing very well with my business, or I am doing very well with my job. But they were not thinking about extra income, passive income and all. But when this problematic situation happened, many top people or many very big businessmen are in problem. So now they are thinking for extra income also, which I always keep on telling my people, yes, even though whatever you are doing job, your business, or whatever you are doing, but you must have some source of extra income, so that if one of your income source stops, you will have some other income source also. So in this situation, people have started thinking for extra income source, which even we also do. With the help of our training programs, we teach our people to trade in stock market. So with the help of trading, people are making very good money. I'm very happy enough today, friends, that even after sitting at home, many people have lost their job, or many people have their salary cut by 30-40%, or many people have don't have work also. So those people are sitting at home and trading and making very good money. Even one of my client who used to stay at US, and now he's in India, okay, and he's lost his job. He just before 2 days back, he called me and he told me, sir, I'm very happy. Just before few months before this COVID-19, I lost my job, and I was worried that when I came in India at that time, all of a sudden this coronavirus came into existence, and I'm not able to get the job. But only because I have learned stock market trading from you, today I'm making very good money with the help of trading, and I'm able to survive, and I'm able to feed my family. So which is a very good option for them also, and we are contributing enough for my people, and with the help of investments also, people are making very good profit from stock market and all other investments. So that good thing happened. Next is just, even we have got enough time for ourselves and for our family. Earlier it used to happen, even with me also, I was not able to give time for my family. But today, even after working for my business and everything, still I am able to give quality time to my family, even to my son also. He's just 9 months old. So even now he's happy that I am always there with him. So in today's time, you are able to give very good quality time to our family, which is a very big achievement. Why? Because what you are doing job, you are doing business, or whatever efforts you are taking in your life, finally you are doing all these things for your family, right? But if you are not able to give time to your family, then what's the use of doing all these things? So you have found your purpose, right? And you are able to give a quality time to your family also. Next is that even we are getting a good time. At least I am getting good time for doing some good productive works, like reading books, doing research, doing planning, or such kind of productive works which will take my life, which will take my business, and at a personal level also, and at a professional level also, to a next level. So we are getting good quality time to do all such things. Let me tell you, friends, if you are just keeping on working, you are doing job, you are doing business, okay, but if you are not focusing on the development, if you are not focusing on planning, even though you will keep on earning the bread and butter every month, but you will not be able to become successful, or you will not be able to go to the next level of your work, right? Which you have got time right now, because you have got time to think about you, about your family, about your business, about your job, everything. So you can take all those things to the next level with the help of your proper planning and thoughts. So you have got time, very good time for this thing also. Next is that even we are able to help to our family for their works. Like as I told you earlier also in my previous video, that I am helping my wife also for her homeworks and all. Even helping my parents also for all their works, which earlier it was not possible. So even they are happy that I'm trying to help them. I'm trying to contribute something for them for the homeworks also, apart from my business works. So we are able to give time to our family, and we are able to help them also. Next thing is, even we have got the potential, we have got the courage to tackle these difficult situations. See, let me tell you, friends, the best learning lesson is from the difficult situations. Experience is the best learner, and we have got this worst experience because of the COVID-19 situation. If you are able to tackle this situation, if you are able to come out of the situation, then you are prepared enough to face any kind of difficult situation in your life, and you will not get scared because of any situation, any kind of difficult situation, because you are already faced the worst. So this is a very good time. If you are strong enough to fight against this situation, then you can do anything in your life, anything great in your life, and you will never get scared of any problems in your life. And that will be a very good impact on your life, and you will take very good positive steps in life that will help you to become successful in your life. Okay, so that is very good. Next thing is, even for the youngsters also, I have seen many youngsters, especially college students, who are just hanging out with their friends, doing time pass, okay, and they are just wasting their time. So in today's time, because of this lockdown situation, they are not able to do time pass. They have left their friends also, and they are able to give time to their family. At least their parents know that what they are doing at home, or what they are doing with their phone and everything. So even this wrong habit of doing time pass with their friends, groupism and all, with their peer groups, even that thing also stopped, right, because of this coronavirus. Next thing is that even we have learned to eat healthy food. Earlier there was a time, even including me also, I travel all over Maharashtra in different places to take my seminars, stock market seminars. At that time it was not possible to have home food. Even though if I go in very good restaurant, very quality restaurants, but still home food is home food, right? Even I had a habit of having junk food, anything, maybe pizza, burger and all. So today we have learned that without pizza, burger and this junk food we can stay alive. So we have learned this thing also. And maybe in coming future when the lockdown will get open and everything is fine, at that time we already have lost the habit, right? So we may not have all these things and your health will be very good, much better than previous, right? You will not have any health problems. So which is very big achievement. Also we have got some kind of good habit that to eat on time. Earlier when we had a lot of work pressure, even with my case also, at that time I didn't have my food on time. But today, because of the workload is very low, I'm able to have my food on time. And that's the reason my weight is also in control. Earlier I was overweight, so now I'm in very good control, right? So we are eating our food on time, which is very important for our health, because health and wealth goes together. If you're doing your job, business, everything, but if you're not able to focus on your health, on your eating habits, on your diet, so that is a worst situation, and that will not help you. Even though if you are successful in your life, but if you are not focusing on your health, then that will create negative impact on your life, and whatever success you have got, you will not be able to enjoy that success also because of your health problems. So we are able to focus on our health. That is also a very good thing because of this COVID-19. Even those people who are working in essential services like medicals, doctors, police officers, media people, and all other people who are working for even our sweepers and everyone who are working for us, who comes under essential services. Even these people have got the chance to contribute something to the society. They are working also and they are contributing to society. Even people are looking at them at in a very good respect, because of these people we are able to stay alive, right? So those people who are working in essential services, even they have got chance to do some social work apart from their normal work also, so which is a very good thing, I think so. Even those people who had got wrong habits of having alcohol, okay, or even those people who have having smoking habits, even these people have left their habits because they don't have any chance to get the liquor or the cigarettes, right? So maybe after lockdown, there are chances that these people will never have all such kind of addictions, right? So this is also very good achievement, and those people, even their families also must be very happy that finally they have left with the habit, because it's very difficult for such kind of people to get detached with these kind of habits. But because of the COVID-19, they don't have any other option but to sit quietly at home and just be away from all these addictions, right? So which is a very good achievement. Next thing is that even one more lesson I got from this pandemic is that I always think that God, when this is a very sensitive topic, I think God is in our heart. Okay, when we pray to God, we feel that God have done something good for us, but actually we are doing it. When we pray to God that please God help me out for any of my work, actually our positive energy, our positive thoughts, help us to get out of the problematic situation. But we feel that God have done something. But today, because of this pandemic, we have understood that yes, God will not do anything. We have to do on our own. Our country, our India, have to solve this problem. We have to take positive steps to find out some vaccination for this COVID-19. We have to follow this lockdown strictly. We have to follow the social distancing norms strictly. Then only we can come out of this lockdown. No, God will help us. We have understood this thing also. So even our mindset have gone on a positive note. Next thing is even we have understood that those birds and animals who have been locked down in a cage, what they must be feeling when they are locked down in a cage. Even we have understood that also when we are being locked down at our home, right? So we have understood their problems also, right? What they must be thinking when they are locked in for so many months and years in those cages. So we should not do all these things. Even we have learned that without vehicles also we can stay alive. Without vehicles also we can do our works, while going on while walking. Why? Because this public transport has stopped. Right, so with no other chance, okay. Even if you see normal common public, most of the time they don't even get petrol or diesel also, unless until they are involved in essential services. So with no other option, they have to go walking for their essential needs, right? So we are learned to without vehicle also we can walk, and without vehicle also we can complete our task. Next thing is that even we learned that we have lot of time if you utilize it properly. Many people complain that I don't have time. Even I used to say that I don't get time because I have sort of so lot of work, so many works, and I have a lot of load because of thousands of clients. But today, when I have managed everything properly, today I have ample of time for myself also, for my family also, and for my research and development and ideas, to read books, to do planning. I have a lot of time. So I'm very happy because of that I'm able to, do some developments which will take my business to next level also. So if you utilize your time properly, which is a very, very important thing, I think from this video, if you are able to take this one single point also, then also I am very happy. Okay, that utilize your time properly. I would like to tell you, friends, I spend my each and every minute very preciously. You will never find me doing time pass or watching TV for hours and all, or watching TikTok or Facebook or WhatsApp and everything. If you see my WhatsApp also, I log in my WhatsApp after every 2 or 3 days. I just sit on WhatsApp for 5 to 10 minutes, not more than that, and I reply all the people. So this habit you must have, and when you're utilizing your time very very preciously, at that time you will get a lot of success. Even as I told you, I have 9 months maybe. You know how it's a very good feeling that even though if I'm spending whole day also with him, it's not enough. I'm so much happy with the baby, but still I have control on myself. And after night or 9 or 10 o'clock, I play with him. And I spend at least 1.5 or 2 hours with him, a quality time. But for the whole day, apart from that, I focus on my work. If I keep on playing with him, definitely he will enjoy with me, but I will not be able to contribute something good in my family or with you also, because I'm wasting time over there. So my wife is over there to look at him, so I'm able to focus on my work. So you must have that kind of control on yourself. Next thing is, yes, one more thing I want to tell you, friends, that we have even understood that we cannot fight with nature. Even though technology has gone ahead, even we have a lot of technology, but still we cannot fight with nature. We have to respect the nature. Right? We have learned this thing also with the help of COVID-19. One more important thing, especially with the metropolitan cities like Mumbai or Pune, everything, the pollution level have gone at a lowest. Means after so many years, Mumbai and Pune and all other cities in Maharashtra are able to breathe properly. So the pollution level have gone down. Even the Ganga river have been cleaned automatically because of this lockdown situation, which is a very, very, very good achievement. Even the not only air pollution but even noise pollution have gone down. And because of that, even we are getting, because of this silent situation, we are able to focus on ourselves. Okay. Even one more thing, friends, even the unnecessary, you must have observed one more thing, that even unnecessary SMS calls, emails from the marketing companies. You want to take loan, you want to take insurance, you want to take new car, you want to take new bike. All these foolish SMS calls used to harass us, right? Even I used to get harassed. Even though after activating my do not disturb services, still I used to get this kind of calls. But in today's situation, all these fraud companies, all these companies who are creating this kind of problem, they have shut down. They have to sit at home. So no one is able to send you SMS or call, or no one is able to disturb you. And that's the reason our mind is getting very calm. And we are getting a lot of ample of time to contribute to ourselves and to think something better, because everything is calm, right? So you are getting very good time. Even you receive very less calls of them. Your close people will call you, right? Not these marketing guys or anyone will call you. So even that disturbance has gone down. So you can utilize this calm time to develop yourself, to think something better, because in this kind of situation only you can create some good miracles, which even we do. Let me tell you, friends, earlier when we want to do something good research for our business, or if you want to do some big planning, we never used to sit in city. We used to go somewhere out of the city, somewhere, and we used to book a bungalow, and we used to spend a kind of focus day. We say it as a focus day. We used to focus on a single work, okay, or on a single planning or some idea, and used to work on that focus day. But now when in this lockdown situation, we don't need to go anywhere. Sitting at home is a calm situation. So it's sitting at home itself, I can think a lot of things, and I can plan something better, and I can take our business, our life and everything to next level. So which is a very good opportunity in this lockdown situation, and you should utilize this opportunity. If you lose this opportunity, I think in future you will lose a lot of things, right? And we may not be able to come out of this problematic situation. So you must do all these things. Lastly, friends, let me tell you why I'm saying all these things to you. Because the reason behind telling all these positive points is, I know, as I told earlier also, from everywhere we have become negative, right? Because of the lockdown situation. So out of that, I want to give some positive message to you, so that after listening to the positive message, your mind will become positive, and you will step down to take some good steps. Finally, I want to tell you one thing, friends. Even though whatever the situation may be, even though I feel if the situation goes to worse also, but unless and until you are not positive enough, you cannot come out of the situation. Whatever we are today is only because of the positive mindset, only because of these positive hopes. Even I like to tell you, friends, there are many people in our life who makes us positive, who tell us, yes, you can do something in life, you are talented enough, yes, you will become very successful. And I have got such people also in my life, in my earlier stage also, and because of these people I am able to become successful. So that is very important. Always you have to be self-motivated. So just to motivate you in this situation, just focus on the positive points, and definitely I can surely say you, if you are focusing on your positive points and if you are focusing on the growth purpose, so even though if you have the impact of this lockdown or your job or business, or because of this problematic situation and because of the falling economy, but still if you are strong enough, if your mindset is very strong enough, at that time you can easily come out of the situation and your life will be normal, and you will be able to grow in your life. And as I told you about our shares also, even though the market has fallen down, but because of my strong mindset, because of my strong ideas, even though the market has fallen down, but our shares had gone up because of the ideas. In the same way, you have to use this kind of ideas in your life also, even though the situation is problematic. But out of that also, how can I bring out of my way, and what can I do in my life? Okay, you have to find opportunity in the problems. If you are able to find the opportunity in the problems, then problem will never be problem. That will be kind of a small challenge which you can easily come out. So I just want to say one thing, friends, lastly, that please be positive. Okay, just if you like this video, if you like my points, what I have told you, so just think about this and always be positive, and also forward my video to all your friends and relatives, so that they will also become positive in their life, and they can also get out of this problematic situation. So definitely just if you like my video, just like it, subscribe my channel, and even you can forward this video. Thanks a lot for your precious time to watch this video. Thank you.